Welcome to my 3D world once again, and today I want to show you all basic animation of an object. For the purpose, I'm going to take one primitive in Max, and then I will animate that primitive in a timeline and show it to you in a timeline, and I will adjust the timing also. So let's start it with me. Here I am taking one cylinder for the purpose. Alt W, I'm maximizing it and press F4. After creating a cylinder, I'm giving its origin 0, XYZ axis 0, as I told you before. Also in my previous video also I just mentioned this X, Y and Z axis through which we can give the position, set the position of. So here it is in on 0 axis right now, the origin is. And then to animate it, I am going to give one control to this cylinder, and for the purpose I'm going to create one 2D shapes, that is circle. I'm going to create in top view. I will create that circle from the center out. Here I have created one circle. Again, go to this perspective view, maximize it and see. Yes, that's it. And circle also I'm giving it 0 0. Done. Now what to do? Select this one, and here it is one option, select and link. Here this one, select and link. Click over here and select this and link it with this circle. Now select the move tool and move this and check. Yes, this cylinder is moving along with that spline. That means this spline, this circle is controlling, this circle is controlling the cylinder. That is done. Now it's time for animation. So again, yeah, and 0 0 0. Yes, now it's time to make animation. But before before starting animation, I want to put one modifier on this cylinder to control this cylinder individually, and that control will controls the follow through of, controls the delay and all of animation with this sphere. So go to modify panel, and here one option, one modifier is there, bend modifier. Click on this bend modifier. Done. And now click on angle bend. See, it is now, we can, it is behaving like that also. We can bend it also, and number of segments are there also, which through which we can control the bend, right? So it is mandatory, it is necessary for bend modifier to have a segment. So here my file is ready for animate, and now it is in on 0 0 0. No problem. Now I will, before starting animation, I'm going to click on auto gist. Now see, when I'm going to start animation, so this portion, bottom area portion, is for animation, used for animation purpose. So here I am turning on auto key button. So when I will turn on auto key button, then whenever, whatever I will do the animation, the key, it will make the key, it will record the key and make the key, right? And it morphs the object also. That is why this is essential for any animator to click it on auto key button. Then see, I am going to animate it from left to right. So here it is at 0 0 0. I am moving it outside. Here it is now. Right click, and in position rotation scale of this circle, click on. That's it. Now animate it further. So I am going up to 40 and dragged it forward. Right click, and again X, Y and Z. In all three position I made a key. Done. Now here my times, on time slider, my time slot is from 0 to 100, but I have animated from 0 to 40 only. So go to time configuration box. Here it is, time configuration, and from here just select this start time is 0 and end time is 100. Make it end time 40. Numlock is not on. Now numlock is on. 40. Press OK. Now see, now here from 0 to 1, see the animation. Now it's I'm feeling that it's going slow. It's going slow, so I want to make it little faster. So for that purpose, just select this key on 40 and drag it inward. So suppose on 20, I want it to appear from 0 to 20 only. It increases the speed of the object animation. So now play and see. Here it is, play, see. Now it's quite fine. So as I feel so, but I will see it in final render, or I will make a preview to see the speed of key, how it is coming. Then only I can tell whether it is going correctly or not, right? So here it is going from 0 to 20 only. So I am going to again time configuration, I am making it 20. Press OK, and now play your animation. Play your animation. The shortcut for play animation is / key. So here it is playing. So now I am going to render my file. So press Shift F. So it will say this is a save frame option. That means whatever resides inside that frame, that is that will come as it is. So now I am going to render final render. I am going to render this scene, and here it is active time segment. I want to animate this in 0 to 20, and the size will which I am going to take is 320 by 240, 320 by 240, right? Because I want to check it only the speed of, that is why low resolution I am taking. So it will make faster rendering. It will the render will be faster. And now I am naming it. Here see, here in render rad logos I pressed F10, and in this, from this box I have just selected this render output files, and I'm going to give a file name that is test anim, and format I am taking AVI for now. Save. Okay, codec it is using DV video encoder. Okay, quality I have leave it with 100%. Click on render. See, it's created 320 by 4, 240, 320 and 240. It's created, and the final file is, you will find in document folder 3D Max 2021 and render output. Here this one is the final file. So see the animation, how it is going and what is the speed of. Okay, not bad. So this is normal animation how to do, but still I'm missing many things in this animation. I'm missing many things in this animation. So the I'm missing life in this animation. So I have applied one bend modifier, and now I will control this bend modifier and make it little realistic, this animation, give it a life. So here when it is moving forward, so here it will, then if here when it is moving forward, so first I have made key, then here while going it will bend little backside here, like this, and then it will bend little more, minus 52.5 it this is, so make it minus 70, and then when it will come over here at last, then it will be at its previous position. Now see, done, 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 done. Now make it little faster, 18, and drag this also to 18. Now again I'm going to render it and see the preview. Here it is. Okay, open from document, max 2021, and render output, play. See, now it's look a bit realistic. See the movement. Now one more thing I want to do with it is that, see here, it's going here and here before coming to its previous position on 18. It will bend little forward also, and then it will settle down. Yeah, it's coming, then it go forward and then back and then settle down. So here it is, here make it little, it will go forward, then little back, and then it will settle down again. I am just putting it on 20, I am keeping it on 20 here like this. I'm adjusting it as it was before. So 18, see here. Now play and see the animation again. See the preview, means final render. See how it is settling down. See how it is settling down. How it is settling down. So this is how we can give animation to our object in 3D Studio Max. And right now I'm not going to tell you about graph editor. We can adjust it in graph editor also, that is known as curve editor in 3D Studio Max, that we will see in afterwards in some other tutorial when we will do some advanced animation then. So here we can adjust the graph also of translate, rotate and scale axis. So we can smooth smooth the graph so that animation looks very smooth without any jerk. So right now no need of modifying it as far as jerk is concerned. So this is all about animation, that which I wanted to show you. So that's all for today video. If like, then please do subscribe and share it with others. Thanks for watching. Thank you.